present Thomas the Tank Engine.
It mustn't be late, he thought.
What shall I do? I can't stop. There's plenty of excitement and lots of fun with runaway trains and last-minute rescues. It all adds up to great entertainment for kids.
Suddenly, like magic, the station was flooded with lights. Ladies, gentlemen, and children, I give you 3 cheers for Thomas the Tank Engine and all his friends. The race was on.
Our storyteller Ringo Starr watched Thomas and his friends get up to all kinds of adventures.
Horrors! Cried Thomas and shut his eyes.
This great new series of Thomas the Tank Engine is available on 3 individual cassettes from Screen Legends. On sale now at all leading high street multiple stores and good video shops everywhere. Here's another children's favourite from Screen Legends, the enterprising adventures of our friendly feline, Henry's cat.
Men, we are about to be invaded by little blue men from Jupiter. Invent something to stop them. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
Just one of the wide range of video cassettes available from Screen Legends, the very best in entertainment for kids. Henry's Cat is on sale now at all leading high street multiple stores and good video shops everywhere.
Snow came early to the island of Solo. It was heavier than usual. Most engines hate snow. Donald and Douglas were used to it. Coupled back to back, with a van between their tenders and a snowplow on their fronts, they set to work. They puffed backwards and forwards, patrolling the line. Generally, the snow slipped away easily, but sometimes they found deeper drifts. Presently, they came to a drift which was larger than most. They charged it, and were just backing for another try when... Lush sakes, Donald! It's Henry! Divest yourself, Henry! Wait a while! We'll have you out! Henry was very grateful. He saw all was not well. The twins were glum. They told him that the Fat Controller was returning soon. He'll send us back for sure. It's a shame, said Percy. A lot of nonsense about a broken signal box, grumbled Gordon. That spiteful brake van too, put in James. Good riddance, that's what I say. They were splendid in the snow, added Henry. It isn't fair. They all agreed that something must be done, but none knew what. Percy decided to talk to Edward about it. What you need, said Edward, is a deputation. He explained what that was. Percy ran back quickly. Edward says we need a devastation. Of course, said Gordon. The question is, what is a desperation, asked Henry. It's when engines tell the Fat Controller something's wrong, said Percy. Did you say tell the Fat Controller? Asked Duck thoughtfully. There was a long silence.